皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means gate. On reading is mon. Kun reading is kado. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So as you see this kanji, it looks like a gate, isn't it? So if you see 入場門 it's an entrance gate. Do you remember 入場? And if you see 入門 means introduction. And combining yesterday's kanji, sen, the specialized, so 専門 means speciality. And if you see the specialized shop, it should be 専門店, specialty store. Okay, here what you see this kanji on the street. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。